In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a collection on Shopify. This is really useful if you're working on a new collection that isn't ready for customers to see, or if you want to temporarily remove a collection from your online store without deleting it. The great thing about this method is that all of your products and settings stay intact in the background. You're just controlling where the collection is visible. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main page, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see several options there. Click on Products. When you do that, a few more options will appear underneath. From those options, click on Collections. This is where Shopify keeps all the groups of products you've created. You'll now see a list of your collections. Take a moment to find the collection you want to hide. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a lot of collections. Once you've found the right one, click on its name to open the collection editor. Inside the collection editor, look over to the right side of the screen. Near the top of the sidebar, you'll see a section that shows the list of sales channels where this collection is currently available. This usually includes your online store and possibly other channels if you use them. On the top right corner of that section, there's a button labeled Manage. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up window will appear that allows you to control which sales channels this collection is visible on. To hide the collection from your website, you want to remove it from the online store channel. Simply uncheck the box next to Online Store. This tells Shopify that the collection should no longer appear on your public storefront, but it will still exist in your admin for you to edit later. Once you've unchecked Online Store, look at the bottom right of the pop-up and click Done to confirm your changes. The pop-up will close, but you're not finished yet. Back in the collection editor, you'll see a Save button near the top of the page, close to the search bar. Click Save to apply all the changes you just made. Saving is important. If you navigate away without doing this, the collection will remain visible. After saving, your collection is now hidden from your online store, but you can come back at any time, recheck online store in the same place, and make it visible again.